Hey guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix SSL error on WIX website. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your WIX website here for their SSL and you're having that error, well, in this case, there are a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you could do here is to basically check your domain connection. Your SSL certificate will only work if your domain is actually properly connected to your Wix website. Now, in this case, you want to go to your Wix dashboard here and verify the connection method for your domain. Ensure that the domain is connected to the Wix or via Wix name servers or via the correct DNS records. Now, for reference, this is what the Wix domain is actually looks like. So in this case, just follow the naming convention here and you should be good. Now, in this case, the next thing that you could do here is to just wait for domain propagation. Now, if you just recently updated your domain's DNS records, like putting it to Wix or making changes, give it up until like 48 hours for propagation to complete. So this process updates DNS servers worldwide so your site can be accessed securely. Now, if that doesn't work or 48 hours is already up, the next thing you could do here is to verify that the DNSSEC settings. So, in this case, if you bought your domain from a provider other than Wix, log into your domain host dashboard and check if the DNSSEC is actually enabled. Now, DNSSEC or domain name system security extension can interfere with domain propagation, so disable if it's turned on. Also, you might want to check for mixed content issue. So in this case, like for example, SSL errors can occur if you have like HTML elements on your site using HTTP instead of HTTPS, like images, scripts, or any iframe links. So you want to go to your Wix website here, and you just want to click on Edit Site here. And basically, if you've added like specific content or iframes in here, you want to make sure that you're using HTTPS, not just HTTP, which in this case, that should resolve your issue. So just give you an example, I'm currently in my editor. So in this case, as you can see, it says that add your code here, use HTTPS only. So if you've added like HTTP only or a link that says HTTP, then in this case, that is the cause of your issue. Now, if in this case, that's about it. So once you've completed the steps, you could basically clear your browser cache or try accessing your website again, or try using incognito in accessing your website. Also, use tools like SSL Checker here to verify your SSL certificate status. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.